Tired of struggling with manual screwdrivers that drain your energy and waste your time? Cordless screwdrivers can save your energy and time. They have become smarter, faster, and more powerful than ever, making DIY projects and home repairs effortless. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing appliances, or tackling professional tasks, the right cordless screwdriver can completely transform your workflow. But with so many options on the market, which one should you buy? We're breaking down the top 5 best cordless screwdrivers on the market right now to help you find your perfect match. Let's get into it. Remember to check the links in the description to find the best deals on all the models we cover. The 5th product on our list is SKIL SD561201. If you're looking for the best budget-friendly cordless screwdriver, the SKIL rechargeable 4-volt cordless screwdriver is a smart and practical choice. It's designed for everyday home projects. It combines ease of use, safety, and convenience in one compact tool. What makes this screwdriver stand out is its circuit sensor technology. This patented safety feature detects live electrical wires in outlets, switches, cords, and fixtures from up to 1 inch away. Simply press the detection button, and if there's live current, a red light will illuminate and an alert will sound. With this, you'll always know where it's safe to work, making it perfect for beginners and DIYers. You'll also love how simple and efficient it is to use. Just twist the collar to switch between forward and reverse, and with 230 RPM speed, you can handle small household projects like furniture assembly, installing fixtures, or tightening screws with ease. Its rechargeable lithium-ion battery holds power for long periods, and the micro USB charging makes powering up super convenient. Also, the dual LED lights ensure you can work in dimly lit spaces without any hassle. This cordless screwdriver is truly lightweight, portable, and packed with essential features. This cordless screwdriver is ideal for anyone who wants reliable performance on a budget. If you need an affordable, safe, and easy-to-use screwdriver for quick fixes and small DIY jobs, the SKIL 4-volt cordless screwdriver is the ideal tool to keep in your home toolkit. The 4th place on our list is Worx WX240L. The Worx WX240L 4-volt 3-speed cordless screwdriver is one of the most compact, powerful, and feature-packed tools you can add to your collection. It's made to make every screwdriving job effortless. It delivers performance, speed, and precision in one sleek package. With 3 adjustable speed settings, slow, medium, and fast, you can handle everything from delicate tasks to heavy-duty fastening with ease. At just 1.5 pounds, its lightweight and slim design make it super comfortable to use, even for long stretches, while the ergonomic grip lets you reach tight spaces without hand fatigue. This little powerhouse packs a 4-volt motor that delivers up to 300 RPM and 44 inch-pounds of max torque, giving you the strength of some drills in a compact screwdriver. Also, the built-in 2 LED headlights ensure you can work easily in dark or hard-to-reach spots. You'll love its USB Type-C fast charging, get a full charge in just 1.5 hours, and enjoy up to 45 minutes of continuous use. And with the low battery indicator, you'll never be caught off guard. It even comes with a 12-piece bit set neatly packed in a durable storage box, so you're ready for any job right out of the box. This product is covered by a 3-year limited warranty. This screwdriver is built to last. Looking for a lightweight, powerful, and versatile screwdriver to handle all your DIY projects? The Worx WX240L might just be the great choice. The 3rd product on our list is the Fanttik NEX E2 Ultra. The Fanttik E2 Ultra mini electric screwdriver is one of the most feature-packed and high-performance precision tools you can grab. It's made for electronics repair, DIY projects, and delicate assembly work. It combines power, precision, and style in one compact tool. With up to 0.6 Newton-meters torque and a 270 RPM Neopulse motor, this mini screwdriver makes precision repairs effortless. You get 5 adjustable torque settings: 0.05, 0.1, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6 Newton-meters, giving you complete control whether you're repairing tablets, phones, watches, laptops, or small appliances. No more worrying about damaging delicate devices. You'll love its 800 mAh rechargeable battery, which lasts 2.3 times longer than the E1 Max, so you spend less time charging and more time getting things done. And the USB-C fast charging keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. The Revastore magnetic pop-up storage case is a true highlight. Its aluminum alloy design feels premium, while the rotary storage bin keeps your 50 high-strength S2 steel bits perfectly clean and organized. You also get a pry bar and ESD tweezers, making it a complete toolkit for all your electronics and DIY needs. And here's the cool part. The gradient indicator bar on the screwdriver shows you the torque level and screw-in/out status, adding a modern, tech-inspired touch to your repair experience. If you're looking for the best feature-rich precision screwdriver that's stylish, durable, and powerful, the Fanttik E2 Ultra is the smartest pick for you. The second product on our list is the DEWALT DWHT66719. If you're looking for the best premium cordless screwdriver, the DEWALT FlexDrive USB rechargeable screwdriver is built to redefine precision, control, and convenience for serious DIYers and professionals alike. What sets this tool apart is its FlexDrive 360-degree control collar. No buttons, no hassle. Just slide to drive and experience seamless, intuitive operation that gives you complete command from any angle. This driver is powered by a robust motor, delivering up to 44 inch-pounds of torque and 124 inch-pounds manually. It handles everything from delicate assembly tasks to tougher fastening jobs with ease. With 6-stage torque adjustment, you can match power perfectly to the task at hand, preventing stripped screws and ensuring professional-grade results every time. Its 2 amp-hour integral battery keeps you going through long sessions, driving up to 680 screws per charge, and recharges conveniently via USB-C, making it travel and workshop-friendly. Despite its power, the DEWALT FlexDrive remains compact and ergonomic, easily slipping into your tool pouch and fitting comfortably in your hand for fatigue-free use. The built-in LED work light brightens up dark or confined spaces, ensuring precision even in low light conditions. If you want a premium cordless screwdriver that blends DEWALT's legendary reliability with smart modern design, the FlexDrive DWHT66719 is the ultimate choice. It's not just a screwdriver, it's total control, power, and performance in your palm. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the HOTO QWLSD010. This HOTO 25-in-1 mini electric screwdriver is the best overall cordless screwdriver you can get. It's built for electronics repair, DIY projects, and delicate assembly work. It's built to make your repair tasks faster, easier, and more precise than ever before. With its one-button start, you get both electric mode, 0.2 Nm maximum torque, for effortless control, and manual mode, 3 Nm maximum torque, when you need extra power. Whether you're fixing phones, laptops, cameras, tablets, drones, or game consoles, this tool ensures flawless precision every time. You'll love its sleek and durable design. It's crafted with an aluminum alloy frosted finish. It feels premium in your hand while staying lightweight at just 314 grams. The compact 2.8 by 7.17 inch size makes it perfect to slip into your bag, so you can carry it anywhere for on-the-go repairs. It also comes with a smart magnetic storage case and 25 high-quality S2 steel bits, covering all essential sizes for electronics, DIY, and household fixes. The magnetic front end allows for quick bit swapping, making your repair experience smooth and efficient. This screwdriver is powered by a 350 mAh rechargeable battery. It can tighten up to 500 micro screws on a single charge, and the USB-C fast charging ensures you're always ready to go. Looking for the best overall cordless precision screwdriver that combines style, portability, and power? The HOTO 25-in-1 mini electric screwdriver could be the perfect upgrade for your DIY toolkit. That's all for our list of the top 5 best cordless screwdrivers on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.